Imagine a world where the very waters that sustain life become its silent executioners. In the heart of the Amazon, a race against time is unfolding as scientists battle to save an iconic species, the pink river dolphin. From a toxin so insidious, it's invisible to the eye. But here's where it gets controversial. The main culprit isn't a natural disaster or climate change, but a booming industry that's turning pristine rivers into chemical battlegrounds. Let's dive into the hidden crisis threatening these gentle giants and what it means for us all. Picture this, a team of researchers wading chest-deep in the murky Amazon, their mesh nets shimmering like liquid silver under the relentless sun. Their quarry? A pod of pink river dolphins, whose vibrant hue and curious eyes make them the Amazon's aquatic royalty. But this isn't a hunt. It's a delicate rescue mission. Each dolphin is hauled onto a mat for a 15-minute window of medical scrutiny, a race against biology to collect data that could redefine how we view environmental health. Fernando Trujillo, a marine biologist leading the charge, describes the process with a mix of reverence and urgency. These animals have never felt a human touch, he explains, shielding a dolphin's eye with a cloth to calm it. Taking them out of water is like abducting a creature from another planet. The team's mission? To test for mercury, a poison seeping into the Amazon's ecosystem at alarming rates. Mercury levels in dolphins here are 20 to 30 times the safe limit, levels that would cripple humans with neurological damage, kidney failure, and weakened immune systems. And this is the part most people miss. The mercury isn't coming from nowhere. It's the byproduct of illegal gold mining, a shadow economy thriving as global gold prices skyrocket. Miners pour mercury into sediment to extract gold, then dump the toxic sludge back into rivers. This poison climbs the food chain, ending up in fish that both dolphins and indigenous communities rely on for survival. In one Colombian village, mercury levels in hair samples reached 22 milligrams per kilogram, far beyond the World Health Organization's safety threshold. Mercury is an invisible enemy, Trujillo warns, until it builds up to a point where it rewires your nervous system. But here's the twist. The data tells a darker story than we might expect. While dolphins are suffering from mercury poisoning, proving it's directly killing them remains a puzzle. Trujillo himself once had mercury levels 36 times the safe limit, a stark reminder that this crisis isn't just about wildlife. It's a ticking clock for human health too. We're already seeing the effects in indigenous communities, he says, citing studies showing mercury's grip on populations across Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia. And numbers are staggering. Pink dolphin populations have plummeted by 52% in recent decades, with some areas losing over a third of gray river dolphins, listed as endangered since 2018. These creatures now face a cocktail of threats: overfishing, droughts, boat traffic, and habitat loss. Yet the mercury crisis remains the most insidious because it's invisible. Unlike a polluted river's blackened waters, this poison lurks in the food we eat and the fish we catch. So here's the question that keeps researchers up at night. Who bears the blame for this crisis? Is it the miners who turn rivers into toxic waste? The governments that fail to enforce environmental laws? Or the global demand for gold that fuels this cycle? Trujillo's work isn't just about dolphins. It's a mirror held up to humanity's choices. As he puts it, these dolphins are our canaries in the coal mine. Is they're dying? What does that say about us? What's your take? Is it time for stricter international regulations on gold mining, or do we need to rethink our reliance on precious metals altogether? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're all in this river together.